Hello, Professor. This is Smith Patel, and we are a Shift Together Studios, and our project is Wilderness Survival. And this is my team, Luis Orquella, Smith Patel, that is me, Jingfu, and Sanjeev.
I'm Luis. Right now, I will take a little overview about the project. So, our theme is a wilderness survival. Is try to survive almost possible time. Our main object is we have different kind of mechanics. One of them is like get different kind of resources of the different kind of items in the environment. The second one is the crafting items to be more stronger and can support or survive more time. And also we have different kind of animals that can be attacked for wild animals. So the things you need to defend your animals to get different kind of food. So our gameplay is explore the environment. You can fight with different kind of animals, collect different kind of items, and make the strategy more useful for survive.
Here is info, and it's our planning and process. And in the first week, we designed our basic idea, and we finished the GDD design gameplay list requirements. And next week, we generate a basic map. And next week, we build the collecting assets and the animation system, UI crafting system, day-night cycles, and mini map structures. And for the next week, we build the procedural generated map, and we also build the inventory system and the destroyable elements system. And after that week, we build load and save and option menus, and then we build the quest systems. And in the last 3 weeks, we polishing and finish the bridge system, and then we try to build that in our devices, and finally we're testing and fix those bugs. So that's our processing and planning.
So the thing that we learned, so I learned how to manage the animation in Unity. More of them is making the mechanics also because the enemy need to detect the movement and detect the enemies and attack the breeding and the wild animals and passive animals. Um, Actually, the detection of the layers is was something interesting and also make some effects for the different kind of action that take the player.
So mostly, my part was in the project was as a UI programmer, and I worked in inventory system, crafting system, and quest system. Rather than that, I also worked in save system. And throughout this journey, I realized that making architecture before going to coding is really important. It saves a lot of time. Also, the importance of effective communication is really important when we are running out of time. So, yeah, that's the thing that I learned from this project.
And I'm Jing Fu, and for this project, I solved the procedural generated map issues with procedural tools like Houdini, and I changed the mobile input system. I built the mobile input system, and in that procedurally generated map, I procedurally scattered those collectible and destructible items in our map. And finally, we build some landscape materials and textures, and modify the texture and to project the landscapes into our like base shape model. And finally, I learned team collaboration in our project.
Hi, Professor. This is Sanjeev. And the things I learned is like, firstly the GitHub. Uh, I already know about the GitHub, but this project helped me learn more about it. And I majorly work on the animation and the event system because we needed the event system in the UI as well. So I worked on those part as well. And I also work on the UI programming, and majorly I worked on the minimap. And yeah, it helped me learn a lot about the Unity, I can say. And I also learned about the team collaboration. Next slide. So in the future, the what we are thinking to implement is the aesthetics. And right now we know that the the aesthetics of our game doesn't look very well, so we will improve that. And there are some uh, uh, what we say assets are missing and the animations are missing from our level, so we will work on that as well. And for the optimization, I think that is missing as also, so we will implement that as well. Now Luis will do the demonstration.
So, teacher, this is our game. So we have a start game, load game, options, controls, and exit. We can load. We can start the last game. So this is, let's go to start the game. You can first collect item that is in the floor. Second one, you can collect items or animals. So you can fight with the animals in the floor. I need to fight with the beer. And also you can collect the items in the wood. You can collect wood or iron that is in the floor. Yeah. So this is our game, and this is the inventory, the quest. So I need to get some food, or I need to, let me see, other quest manager, survival. This one and this one. I have everything here. Okay. So this is our quest, and I lost the life because you need to eat something. In the other case, you will lose life. Let me find something to eat. So I will take the push. Oh, and when the day the wild animal disappeared. So okay, so I can take the food and the food for me. For the crafting, we have different kind of elements in the environment. Let me take some irons. Every element in the environment that can be destructible of the health bar. So I can create, so I need to make the recipe, so I craft the item, have the steel, and with the steel and 2 of iron, I can craft the sword. And when I have the sword, I can use this weapon in my inventory. And I have the inventory, I have the sword, so right now I'm more stronger. And yeah, if the life is done, we are dead, and we move back. Let me get faster. Let's sit down for the animal. Yeah, we can go to the menu again. And this is our game. Thank you for this one.
Thank you so much.